Ever thought about owning a piece of the internet? No, seriously. Imagine a space that's all yours, where the world comes to see what you've got. That's what a website does for you. It's not just about business or blogging. It's about making your mark. And here's the kicker. Building one, it's not rocket science. I'm about to break it down step by step. So if you've ever dreamt of having your own digital playground, you're in the right place. You're ready to claim your corner of the internet. But here's the first thing. Don't just dive in head first. Know why you're diving. What's the big idea behind your website? Is it just to sell those handmade crafts? Or maybe you're the next big influencer? Or perhaps you just want a space to share your thoughts. Whatever it is, nail that purpose down. It's like building a house. You wouldn't start without a blueprint, right? Whether it's e-commerce, shouting out your brand, or just sharing info, having clear goals is your game plan. And trust me, a well-planned website, it's a game changer. So before you jump into the deep end, make sure you know which direction you're swimming. Now that you've got your blueprint, let's talk about bricks and mortar. And by that, I mean website builders. Think of them as your construction crew. You've probably heard of Wix, Squarespace, or even WordPress. These are your go-to tools. No need to be a tech whiz to get started. With drag-and-drop editors, like what Weebly offers, you're the master of your domain. Literally, want a photo here? Drag it. A button there? Drop it. And templates? Platforms like Shopify have got you covered. They're like the model homes of the web world. Pick one that vibes with you, then make it yours. But hey, don't forget about being found. SEO optimization tools like Yoast are your beacon, making sure people find you in the vast sea of the internet. And for those who like to tinker under the hood, having access to the source code lets you customize every nook and cranny. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. Imagine you've built this killer treehouse, right? But where do you hang it? That's web hosting for you. It's the sturdy branch your digital treehouse hangs on. Platforms like Bluehost, HostGator, or GoDaddy, they're your go-to lumberyards. Now, here's the thing. Not all branches are built the same. You've got to consider a few things. Bandwidth. Think of it as the width of your branch. The wider it is, the more friends you can invite over without it snapping. In the digital world, it's about how many visitors your site can handle. If you're expecting a crowd, make sure your hosting can handle the party. Storage. This is the space you've got to store all your cool stuff. Photos, videos, blog posts, they all take up room. Some hosts offer unlimited storage, but always read the fine print. Security. You wouldn't want any random person climbing your treehouse, right? Same goes for your website. Look for features like SSL certificates and DDoS protection, and always ensure they're PCI compliant. It's like having a security guard for your treehouse. Traffic flow. Some hosts can handle a steady stream of visitors, while others are built for those big traffic spikes. Know your expected traffic and choose accordingly. Remember, your digital treehouse deserves the best branch out there. So weigh your options, think about your needs, and pick the perfect spot to hang. Imagine your website as a house. Now, a domain name? That's its address. Without it, how would anyone find you in this vast digital neighborhood? It's essential, not just a luxury. Your domain name is the first thing people type in to find you. So it needs to be memorable and relevant to your brand. Avoid those tricky hyphens and numbers. They just complicate things. Instead, aim for something short and catchy. And remember, SEO matters. If you can, weave in keywords related to your business. It'll give you a leg up in search rankings. While .com is king, don't shy away from other top-level domains like .net, .org, or niche ones like .design. They can give your brand a unique twist. To grab one, platforms like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Bluehost are solid choices. Search, find its availability, and purchase. Simple as that. Your domain isn't just an address. It's the foundation of your online identity. Choose wisely. Now, think of your website's layout as the architecture of your digital home. It's not just about looking good. It's about making sure visitors can find the bathroom without opening the closet first. First things first. Aesthetics matter, but functionality, that's the real MVP. You want a theme that mirrors your brand's vibe, but also ensures your visitors aren't lost in a maze. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, they've got a buffet of themes. Dive in, pick what resonates. But remember, it's not just about the looks. Customization is key. Maybe you want a neon sign in the living room or a pool in the backyard. Digital translation, widgets, plugins, and tailored color schemes. And hey, in this age, if your site isn't mobile optimized, you're leaving money on the table. Everyone's on their phones these days, so make sure your site looks crisp on those screens too. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? Consider bringing in the pros. Web designers can take your vision and make it a pixel-perfect reality. It's an investment, sure, but think of it as hiring an architect for your dream home. You've got your layout looking sharp. Now, let's talk about the rooms in your digital house. Every website, no matter the niche, has some staple pages. Let's break it down. Homepage. Think of it as your front door. It's the first impression, so make it count. Product/service pages. This is your showcase. Whether you're selling products, services, or ideas, lay it out clearly here. Contact. A direct line to you, whether it's for customer support, inquiries, or feedback. Make sure they can reach you. FAQ. Got questions? Here's where you preemptively answer the common ones. About. Your story, your mission. Let them know who's behind the curtain. Policy pages. The nitty-gritty. Returns, privacy, terms of service. Not glamorous, but oh so necessary. And hey, don't forget to link your social media. It's 2023. If you're not in at least one platform, you're missing out. It's another layer of trust and a way to connect on a more personal level. Here's the thing. You can have the slickest website, but if your checkout process is a mess, you're leaving money on the table. Seriously, nobody wants to jump through hoops to give you their money, so let's make it easy for them. First off, ensure a seamless payment process. Think about it. When you're shopping online, if the payment's a hassle, you bounce, right? Don't let that be your site. Now, onto the options. Offer a variety, from the basics like debit and credit cards to the big players like Shop Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. The more options, the merrier. It's all about convenience. Remember, a smooth payment system isn't just about getting paid. It's about enhancing the user experience, building trust, and ensuring they come back for more. Listen up. In the digital age, tools aren't just hammers and nails. They're software and apps that can skyrocket your business. Let's dive in. Email marketing? It's not just about spamming inboxes. Tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit can help you build relationships and keep customers coming back. For product discovery, platforms like Oberlo or Sprocket can be game changers, especially if you're into dropshipping. Now, social media isn't just for selfies. Platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite let you schedule posts, engage with your audience, and track performance. And for customer support, tools like Zendesk or Talk2 ensure your customers always leave happy. Different niches have different needs. A fashion brand might lean heavily on Instagram promotions, while a tech startup might focus on email campaigns. The key? Find the tools that fit your niche and use them to their full potential. Launching a website without testing it is like jumping off a plane without checking your parachute. First, preview that site. Make sure everything looks crisp, from desktop to mobile. Broken links, image issues, they're like party crashers, and you don't want them. And hey, don't just trust your own eyes. Get some friends or colleagues to take a look. Fresh perspectives can spot things you might have missed. Their feedback? It's gold. Remember, the devil's in the details. Double check, triple check, and make sure when you go live, it's a smooth launch, not a crash landing. So you've hit that go live button. Pop the champagne, right? But here's the deal. Launching your website isn't the finish line. It's the starting gun. Websites are like plants. They need regular care to flourish. Keep your content fresh. Give your design a little tweak now and then. And always stay in the loop with the latest trends. And hey, don't just set it and forget it. Regular check-ins? They're your best friend. Keep that website of yours in tip-top shape, and it'll serve you well for years to come. And there you have it. From idea to launch, you've got the blueprint. Now go out there, Make your mark on the digital world. And remember, it's a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing, keep evolving, and most importantly, keep being awesome. Cheers to your online success. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please check out our other cool videos on this channel.